Sorry I didn't post the description, but this is all happening live right now. Protesters here at the Shell gas station where Trayford was shot and killed by police had formed a human chain. You can actually see they're still doing it right now. But this truck actually kept passing through them and almost kind of hit most of the people there. They weren't moving. They said they were going to stand their ground. This man still kept driving through. You can see them kind of just getting into a confrontation right now.
He's going to be famous tonight. Say his name. Say his name.
But again, they were trying to explain to the man what they were actually doing, and he kept driving, while all of these people were in front of him.
Say his name. Say his name. Let me talk to them really quick. This is the type of foolishness that we're talking about. This man took his vehicle and tried to pass it through a peaceful protest and tried to kill us. That's exactly what happened. This is why when we tried to tell you, we're trying to keep this damn city calm, and this is what is happening right now.
This is Josh Gillen and friends, folks.
That's
they
it.
will run their car
That's
you, act like they didn't do anything wrong.
You want to talk about inciting a riot?
And look at that, somebody deliberately came here to cause destruction.
That's called domestic. That's called domestic terrorism. That's a domestic terrorist. Make sure that they hear. This is domestic